Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make a cell turn a color using conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. So this is definitely a very handy tool and I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So basically let's just say I have a bunch of employees here and we have weekly pay for all of them. And let's say just in my theoretical example here we want to see the lowest, highest, and mid-range. So instead of using a sort feature, I'm actually going to just show you guys how to make it appear a certain color. So it's very visually appealing, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we're going to first start by selecting the area that we want to conditionally format here. And then once you've selected that, underneath the Home tab, which should be the default tab we're launched with, you want to left click on Conditional Formatting, and then you want to left click on New Rule. So left click on New Rule. So it should be format all cells based on their values, and then we can set a different style type. So if you want to set minimum and maximum, you can. If you want to do a mid-range, so if you want to do 3-color scale, you can do that as well. And you can change the colors as well, so whatever you feel like. I personally like these colors, so that's what we're going to go with. So we're going to set the midpoint at 50, and I really don't need to set a value for minimum or maximum. We're just going to set the midpoint at 50. Again, there's a lot of powerful tools you can do with conditional formatting. I'm just showing you guys a basic way of how to utilize it. So we're going to left click on OK. And you can see my highest person is very clearly shown here as Rick. And then the mid-range, looks like about this guy, Daniel and Albert. And then the lowest here would be Fred. You can see he's only making 700 a week. So definitely a cool little feature to know about. I do hope I was able to help you guys out, get you set up and introduced to this. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.